Tighten that drag up a little bit. Hurry up and get it on across that mouse.
Keep it tight.
Bring it back here. Look at Kimara Cooper fish on that frog, folks.
Yes, sir.
Look at him on that frog, y'all. In the boat. His first bass in the boat.
Yeah, I got him.
Big one now.
I got him. Yeah,
Good 3 pounder.
my first crawfish.
Put your pole down and hold it, man.
Yeah, press the button.
There you go. There you go.
Hey.
Yes, sir. That's a
Yes,
good one.
sir.
Yes, sir. Shouts out to Joel. Yes, sir.
Let me see if I can take the hook.
We in there.
We in there, baby. In the boat. In the brand new boat, y'all. We out here.
I can't.
You got it?
Ah.
All right, folks. Show us what you reckon with.
Oh, no. A bettering deal.
All right, folks. We finna get a weight. You ain't gonna say nothing. You just sitting there looking out.
Yeah, I can't. It's so heavy.
There you go. Is it on?
Oh, gosh. It's a big one.
Starting out on 0, folks. On pounds.
What we got?
3.6.
3.6. Let's
3.6.
go.
3.7. 3.7. 3.7.
3.7. Yes, sir. Show us what you reckon
So
with.
much work.
All right, we're gonna get a release for you